Welcome back to my garage. In the last episode, I installed these cabinets and added more storage spaces. Let's do some more work. I have this wall, but my collection is getting out of control. This is a cars and motorcycles channel, so let's move that somewhere else. This space is kind of wasted because of all the ducts. Let's clean this up and put a bench here. The new bench won't fit until I move the first bench. Aha, perfect fit. Let's finish off the bench, put a cabinet underneath, and some decor on the wall. I recently picked up a BMW i4 and I'm working on a new video for the near future. Subscribe to see more cool car stuff. For now, let's solve the charging issue. I hired an electrician to install a 220 volt outlet for faster charging. I am using the BMW charger that came with the i4 and I need to install a bracket to clean up the cables on the outside. This is an old school analog switch. Nowadays, security lights have sensors, so let's remove this box. The old box is out, new outlets are installed. I got some of this stuff to seal the drywalls, but I haven't picked the colors yet. We'll do that next time. That's enough work for today. Let me know what you want to see next and subscribe to see more from OTM Cars and Motorcycles. I'll see you next week with something amazing.